In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the text color on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is highlight over whatever text you want to change the color for, and then go up to the Home tab, and there should be a little A icon above Font versus Font Color. Click the drop down, and you can select any color from this list, or you can select more colors and then select from one of these selections, or you can enter in a custom RGB code or HSL code in here and then select OK, and then you can have it apply to that text. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.